Hello everyone, welcome to ProfitTube, your go-to channel for everything related to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Here at ProfitTube, we're all about equipping you with valuable insights into the crypto universe. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes or a seasoned investor looking to stay updated, we've got you covered. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop us your thoughts in the comments. Today, we are diving into the world of non-fungible tokens or NFTs, so stay tuned. Stay. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a type of digital asset that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of unique items or pieces of content, using blockchain technology. But what does it mean to be non-fungible? Let's break it down. In the world of economics, an asset is considered fungible if it's interchangeable with another of the same type. For example, a crisp dollar bill is fungible because you can swap it for another dollar bill without losing any value. On the other hand, non-fungible means that no two assets are the same. They're unique, like a painting by Van Gogh or a signed first edition book. This uniqueness is what gives non-fungible assets their value. Now apply this concept to the digital world. NFTs can represent digital art, music, virtual real estate, and more. Let's say an artist creates a piece of digital art. By turning this art into an NFT, the artist can sell it as a unique asset. The buyer then owns a unique piece of digital art, verified by blockchain technology. So why are people willing to pay for these unique digital assets? The answer lies in the demand and the perceived value of the NFT. As with physical assets, the value of NFTs is largely determined by what people are willing to pay for them. So, in essence, NFTs are like digital collectibles, each with its own special value. Now that we have a basic understanding of what NFTs are, let's delve into some key points about them. Firstly, let's talk about blockchain technology, the backbone of NFTs. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers so that any involved record cannot be altered retroactively. This ensures the authenticity and ownership of NFTs. When an NFT is created or minted, its information is stored on the blockchain. This means that anyone can verify the authenticity and ownership of an NFT, which is a game changer in a world where digital content can be easily and endlessly duplicated. Secondly, consider the potential for NFTs to revolutionize various industries. In the art world, artists can sell their work directly to consumers as NFTs, cutting out intermediaries and retaining more of their earnings. Musicians can sell exclusive content or experiences as NFTs. The gaming industry can use NFTs to create unique, tradable virtual assets. The possibilities are truly endless. Thirdly, it's important to note the high volatility and speculation surrounding the NFT market. Prices can skyrocket and plummet within short periods. Some see NFTs as a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's important to remember that not every NFT will sell for millions. As with any market, there are no guarantees. Fourthly, we cannot ignore the environmental concerns related to the energy consumption of NFT transactions. Most NFTs use the Ethereum blockchain, which currently uses a lot of energy. However, it's worth noting that Ethereum is in the process of transitioning to a more energy-efficient system. Despite the current hype, NFTs are a relatively new concept, and their future is still uncertain. As with any investment, it's crucial to do your own research and understand the risks involved. However, it's also an exciting time to observe how this technology could potentially reshape many aspects of our digital lives. The world of NFTs is vast and complex, but hopefully, this gives you a better understanding of some of its key aspects. Stay curious, stay informed, and always keep exploring. To recap, NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of unique items or content, powered by blockchain technology. They're more than just digital art. They can be anything digital, including music, GIFs, videos, and more. NFTs are taking the digital world by storm, offering a new way to prove ownership and authenticity of digital creations. Remember, the value of NFTs is subjective and varies greatly from one person to another. They are based on the concept of perceived value, so what might seem worthless to one might be priceless to another. We encourage you to dive deeper into the world of NFTs and the broader crypto universe. There's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting for you to discover. And who knows, you might just find your next digital treasure. Thank you for tuning into ProfitTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below with your thoughts on NFTs. Until next time, keep exploring.